Hey everybody, Gears here, and the turret is about to take one step forward. The highlight down here represents a divot, a little gully that is about to be filled. We go around here, down there along the bottom line, all sorts of gaps to be filled going into that front space. And then if we come back around this way, it's probably tough to see with the balance of the light. But there's a couple gaps there. Aves Epoxy is the tool for that stuff, and then there's a few gouges and gaps around the walls here that probably aren't too visible for the brilliance of the sunlight. Those need a filling, and those will be some Bondo glazing putty. So with the magic of editing and this pedestal wrapped in saran wrap, let's see what that looks like. And filled in, that definitely looks a lot nicer. So, time to put the pedestal in. Now I'll let that sit for a few hours. Oops, I'm gonna have to check that and make sure that's actually underneath. I don't want anything sticking. There we go. So we'll see what this looks like in a few hours. Thanks for watching. See ya.